Hey friends, we have a fun Binky Bros toddler haul. My name is Jess. I share fashion, beauty, and motherhood lifestyle content, so if you love that kind of stuff, please feel free to hit that subscribe button, and if you like today's video, please feel free to hit that like button. So we got an exciting haul from Binky Bros. If you haven't heard of them, they are a toddler boys clothing brand, and I think they are starting to have stuff for girls, but I'm happy that there are more toddler boys clothing brands because I feel like there's not enough cute stuff for toddler boys, or like boys in general. I feel like it's just always like dinosaurs, race cars, and things like that at the stores. And there's nothing like more modern. So I really love Binky Bros. This haul is kindly gifted from the brand, but there was no obligation to post this video. I have purchased them in the past, and I actually have a couple of the hats I purchased previously that I also want to share with you all. But let's get into this unboxing. So now that my son is getting bigger, he does need some bigger hats because those are getting a little too small for him now. So I ordered him two new hats. I got him this adorable green one, and these are snapbacks, so they're really easy to adjust and just slide onto his head. And I also got this adorable white one, and these are really comfy. He enjoys wearing them. And then I got a few beanies. Beanies are so cute on my son. I mean, they're cute on all babies, but I absolutely love them when my son wears them. How adorable is this burgundy one? It gives me Canadian hockey vibes. I mean, my son is Canadian, so I thought this was fun for him. Cute little tassel. I love this little logo here, and just like the Binky Bro's name. And then I got just a simple knit olive one, and this has the logo here. Very nice and soft, stretchy. And then I got these two simple beanies. They have a little white label here. I don't know what it is about orange, but I'm loving orange for winter, and I think this is a lot of fun. And then just a simple gray one that he can wear with most of his outfits. And this time I did get some clothes. I never purchased their clothes in the past, just their hats. I did purchase their socks, which we'll get to at the end of the haul, but I'm very excited about their shirts. Their shirts are they're simple, but they're really cute, and they just look like a big boy, you know? It's not like dinosaur, cars, robots, like just the basic boy aesthetic. It's just very different. It has a cute little logo here. This is their crew neck, nice and soft inside. It's not too thick where they're gonna get too hot, but it's not thin at all where it feels cheap. So this is a really nice crew neck. I did get two long sleeves. He wore one yesterday and I can't find it all of a sudden, but I got this little rust orange one. Just says Binky Bros here, and a nice little logo in the back as well. I'll put a picture here of the other one I got. It's a cream color. It's super cute as well. And then I restocked in socks. I also had him wear one of the pairs yesterday. Lost it too, but this is like a pack that I purchased in the past, but those are too small now, so I got it in a bigger size in 12, and this is in the size 12 to 3 years, and my son is about to turn 2, and these fit just perfectly, and there's still some stretch to it, so they will last him another year. And I also got him this black and white set. I love the checkered in these. They're so different, and these also have like that jockey kind of pattern to it where it has like the logo there. So I really love their socks too. They're not thin, they're a good thick material. I really love their socks, and they lasted a long time. Like the smaller size that I got, they lasted really well compared to like Gap and Old Navy socks. Those socks are so much thinner, and after a lot of wear they develop holes. So I really love the Binky Bro socks because they're nice weighted material. But that's pretty much for the haul. Something super quick. But if you are looking for some modern, like not basic toddler clothing brands, especially for your boys, then definitely check out Binky Bros. So these are the hats that we do already own. I got him this beach hat. It is so cute on. It has an adjustable chin strap here. This also isn't heavy, so it's not annoying for him. This was so fun for our beach days. Then I have two snapbacks here. I We have another one and I can't find it, but the other one we have has an American flag. This one just has a nice red and white logo, and this one is a corduroy one. Very soft. I love this for fall and winter. He wore it, I think he wore this one the most because it just the brown went with a lot of outfits. But these are adorable. Definitely recommend the snapbacks for little kids. They're just easy to throw on and easy to adjust on the spot. These are the smaller ones, and honestly he still fits these. Bigger ones, they're just like slightly bigger.